everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be using these long XL square tips, and I will be doing a very summer tutorial, which is one of my favorite ones, the summer nail tutorials. And I'm going to show you guys my products that I'm going to be using now. The first one is this one. It is pretty much like a cream veggie color from Chiara Sky. Very beautiful color. And I'm also will be using some of the clear one in some of them, but to encapsulate I'm going to use the Young Nail Speed Clear because I love it. And this mix here from Desire Glam also is a mix of sand, glitter, starfish, and another stuff. Very beautiful mix. And this one is just regular sand. I will be using this as well. So to start with, I'm just going to use this acrylic color for background purposes. So because we're gonna lay down the sand, I need to make sure that when I lay the sand in the nail tip, it gets full coverage. Like adding this color as a background will help me in parts where the sand don't get to it. It will cover and then it will not look like there's like an empty space or there's no sand because I'm adding a background. Now keep in mind this don't have to be perfect because it's just for background purposes. So in some of the nails I'm just gonna put it halfway. In other nails I'm just gonna put it at the tip. It depends where I will be placing my sand. That's where I'm placing this beautiful color because I think it's a nice match with the sand in this color. So I'm going to repeat this in all of my nails, just in some parts of my nails because the other parts will be covered with gel polish. Now, once I'm done placing the acrylic powder, I'm gonna sort out my mix and I wanna try these different ways to see which one is the best. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to get the bigger things out first because I just want pretty much the sand. So I'm just getting a little bit of the sand in this acrylic container because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of clear acrylic and try to put it on my nail with the mix. Like I'm gonna put a little bit of clear acrylic and then I'm gonna put it with the acrylic. And to be honest with you guys, I will not recommend to do this because it will make your nail to be bulky. Your nail will look very thick, and this is what happened in my case. The best way to do this, in my own opinion, I think is like put in a thin layer of clear acrylic and then you will go ahead and dump the sand in your nail with a tray. You will see more ahead on the video when I decided to do it that way, and you guys will see the difference between putting the sand with acrylic and then putting the sand just like dumping like it was dirt powder. It's better. It prevents your nail from getting thicker. So you guys will see the difference. So this is here. This is me putting it with acrylic. I'm I'm putting my brush in clear acrylic just a little bit, and then I go into the sand, and this is how it looks like. To me, this is a lot of work. I think this is not the best way to do it. So I would not recommend doing it this way because it's a lot of work, and second, it can make your nail thicker because the sand is stubborn. It don't want to stay on the tip. So I would not recommend doing it this way. So I'm gonna repeat this on this nail and also on the other nail as well. So for this nail, I'm using a different mix, and here you guys can see how doing it with the acrylic is just not working. Look guys, it will make the nail thicker, and this is the nail that I didn't like how it ended up looking because of how thick it looked, and I filed this nail like a lot, like for life. Let's just say I just filed this nail a lot, and it still at the end looked thicker. You guys can see. So now I'm gonna show you guys another way to do this that I will absolutely recommend of doing. It's like the best way, so that way your nail don't look really really thick, okay? So in my own opinion, this is the best way of doing this. So all you have to do is grab a little bit of clear acrylic, and then you're gonna put it on your nail tip, like clear acrylic powder, like I'm doing here, see? And I'm just placing this on the area where is my beige color, just a very thin layer of this. And now I'm gonna grab my sand and just put it all over the nail, just like this. And once I'm done, I will tap my nail just to take the excess out, and that's it. Look how easy it was. I think that's the best way of doing this. And of course, we have to wait until this dry, like completely dry, and then we can move to encapsulate. So to encapsulate, I'm gonna use the Speed Clear, and this is from the brand Young Nails. It's one of my favorite brands because all of their line, which is called Speed, the Speed ones, they dry really really fast, like in, I think it's like 30 seconds. So that's why I like to encapsulate with this one, because it will dry really fast. And when it comes to these nails and all the sand that it has, it's more convenience for the acrylic to dry faster. That way I can file it down. That way it don't take a lot of time filing or time consumption on your day. So that's why I like that Speed Clear, because it dries absolutely fast. So once everything is encapsulated, I'm going to use these two colors. These gel polishes are from atCitynailsbeaty. They are really really pigmented. I really love this brand. They are very affordable. You can find them on Amazon.com and also on their own website. And I have a discount code at the bottom of this video, at the description of this video, so you can use that discount code. So what I'm doing here is I'm just mixing both of them. I'm not completely mixing them because I need a little bit of white. So I'm just mixing a little bit of the white, a little bit of the blue at the end, just to get that perfect kind of like ocean look, water type. You guys know what I mean. And I'm gonna lift it up with the brush, and I'm gonna put it random, very random in the nail. And if I think it needs more blue, I'll add more blue, or if it needs more white, I will add more white. So I will continue doing that to all of my nails except the middle finger. So here are a bunch of summer stickers that I have. I took all my summer stickers and put it together just to see what I'm gonna use. For this nail tutorial, I'm not gonna use a lot of sticker in the part of the water because I already did one tutorial like that. It's already on my YouTube channel. If you guys want to watch it, it was beautiful. I love that one. So for this one, I just want to make something different. So for this one, I want to make, I'm going to put some palm tree stickers. I'm going to put some sandals, some chairs, some umbrellas, also a lady with a hat. You guys will see how cool this is going to end up looking. And so I'm going to go ahead and use a few of these stickers just to just to bring these nails to life. And also I'm going to use some dried flowers, beautiful flowers, for the fingernails where you see all that sand only. There I'm just going to use flowers, but I'm not going to use stickers on that nail. So I'm going to keep using these stickers and decorating the rest of the nails. And to seal this look and give it the final touch, I'm adding a top coat. Look how beautiful it comes to light. And on these tiny nails, you guys can see the wave. It's just a sticker that it looks like a wave, and it has a guy surfing too. It looks awesome, awesome. And then at the bottom of the sand, you can see like a lady with a hat. And then on the other nail, I put some gold sun, and then decoration, and then like a lighthouse, some flowers at the bottom where is the blue. I will have pictures on my blog so you guys can see it in close, the details. On this one, this is the nail. This is what I'm telling you guys. This nail is beautiful and everything, but it's a little bit thicker. So I will be doing this nail again in another tutorial for summer, but I'm gonna do it the other way that I did the other nail, like just dumping the sand into the nail so you don't end up being thicker as on this one. But I did file these nails a lot, so it's a lot of work, except on the ones that you just drop the sand versus the one that you use the sand with the acrylic. I hope you guys understand. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I will try to answer all of the questions you guys may have in comments. But yes, it will require a lot of filing on the nails, especially the ones where I put the acrylic, the sand using the acrylic, which I don't recommend. So this is the final look. I'm just gonna add a little bit of cuticle oil and this will be done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will be making more of these summer tutorials coming up, and I will have a giveaway coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe so you will be able to participate. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.